Hey guys, what's up? This is Yahashua with Simple Keys. Welcome back to another video. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to play Leave the Door Open by Bruno Mars and Paak. This is a new jam. It actually just got released, and I thought this would be a great lesson to show you guys how to play this song. It's got those nice, I believe, like 80s vibes, Michael Jackson kind of type feels. And yeah, it's a really fun, nice, vibey track, and I thought this would be a great lesson to show you guys. Now this song does have quite a few moving parts. It does change keys a bit, but it's very simple once you kind of get a hang of it. So what I'm going to do in this lesson is show you the intro, the verse, the chorus, and then we'll save the bridge for another lesson. So let's go ahead and get started. This song originally starts in C major, so C0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this brings us back to the top. Now this song is going to modulate a few times, but just to keep things simple, we're going to start in C. And if you're also interested in understanding how to modulate, how to change keys, how to play in all 12 keys, I do have a free guide at simplekeys.com that can help you get a better understanding of how to play in all 12 keys. And then if you also want to get a better understanding of the music learning process, we're talking the fundamentals, just having a solid foundation of theory, chords, progressions, and how to break down songs, you can go ahead and check out simplekeys.com, and I'll be glad to help you out there, and you'll be able to find some content that will help you on your journey. So I'm going to go ahead and play the intro, show it to you, then I'm going to break it down for you. So it's fairly simple. Let's get right to it. All right, so let's quickly stop there. So the intro is pretty much using only like 4 chords for the most part. The first chord we're gonna need is like an F major 7. So you can play it this way, F, A, C, E, over F. And the only thing we're gonna do here is actually change our right hand chord to a G major, but we're gonna keep the bass the same. We're gonna be on that F chord. Oh, F note, sorry. And then the G major chord. So F major 7. This is like a G major chord over F. The next chord you're going to need is an E minor 7. And all we're doing here is really just moving our bass tone to E while we keep the G major chord in our right hand. The next chord you're going to need an A minor 7. So you can play it this way. Or if you want, you can go. I prefer playing it this way. And then you can go. All right, it's a simple movement that goes. You can do it that way, or you can go. All right, so let me show you how that sounds together. So it's gonna go. Okay, so that's like the main movement for the song. So the intro and the verse sound the same for the most part. So let me go ahead and play it for you real quick, and then I'm going to break it down for you once more. Now the good news is the intro and the verse play the same chords for the most part. There is only one difference before it gets into the pre-chorus, which is Bruno Mars' section. There is a small little movement that kind of leads you into that. So it's gonna go, and then it's gonna go, and it's gonna go back into the. So it's going to go back into that section. So let's quickly go over the verse, and then we're going to get into that pre-chorus. So the verse again. Outro now. Okay, so let's quickly break that down. So that movement is, we're the verse. This is before the outro. Now we're about to get into the pre-chorus, and all you need to do is we can go pretty much like an A and C, B and D, C and E. And you can go. It's just like the simple version of it. You can play it a few ways. Alright, then Bruno Mars's section, which is the pre-chorus, goes. Alright, so let's quickly do that right quick. So we're gonna go. We're gonna play an E flat major chord. So what we've done now is modulated or transitioned or transposed the key. So we've moved from C to E flat major now. So we're gonna play an E flat major chord, and all you're gonna do is also just drop your pinky there. So this is an E flat major chord to E flat, G, B flat, E flat. You're gonna play an E flat major 7 over E flat. Then you're gonna play an A flat major chord. So A flat, C, E flat, A flat, E flat. Or if you want to play, you can actually play the whole A flat major 9 here. And then we're gonna move down A flat, G minor, F minor. Then we're gonna play an F major over G. So let's do that part one more time. So we're gonna go. Outro. And I believe it goes. Alright, so you can just bounce on that. Pretty much playing an F major over G. So A flat, G minor, F minor. Alright, F major over G. Then we're gonna get into the chorus. And then you can play this movement. And it's gonna go. All right, so that chorus is. So these chords are really just playing. You're playing like an A minor chord and G major, but in different inversions. So you're gonna play this G major chord this way, and then this A minor chord, which is part of the F major 7 chord. Just gonna play this up here. So you're gonna go. You're gonna go. We can play C major 7, and then that's the outro chord, which is like an A 7 chord, A dominant 7 chord. All right. So again, these chords are also going to be used in the intro when you start the song. So. All right. So that's a G major, A minor. Or if you want to see it in a different way, it's going to go A minor, G major, but played in a different version. We're going to go. So the song starts A minor, G major over F. Then you're going to go. Right hand can play like an E minor 7, or you're pretty much playing an E minor 7 when you add the E, but it's like a G major chord over E. Then you're going to play. Same chords, just played in a different inversion. So once more. Then we're gonna go. Right hand stays the same. Then you're gonna go. Okay, and in some parts you can go and build up, and this is for the chorus. Then you're gonna play a C major 7. You're gonna play that A dominant 7 chord. All right, you can play it this way, you can play it like that. All right, so that's pretty much like the main gist. So that's pretty much like the main gist of the intro, the pre-chorus, and the chorus. I'm going to show you the intro one more time so you can see how it's played together, and then you can kind of take this away, and then we'll play part 2, which is going to include the bridge. So the intro starts like this. This is the easier version. I'll do this for you guys. E minor 7. It goes back to the F major 7. E minor 7. Then it's gonna go pre-chorus. I'm gonna go back to the verse. Alright guys, so we're going to end this video here. I don't want to overwhelm you. There are quite a few moving parts in this song. It's very fun though. It's got a really nice groove and vibe to it. So if you like this, guys, go ahead and stay locked in. There's going to be a lot more content coming your way. Let me know if you want to see part 2 in the comment section below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to keep this video short and sweet and make sure you guys get the main essentials. But let me know if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all be easy.